Hello everyone, Archana here. I'm here after so many months. I know it's almost, I'm seeing it after 7 months I'm here on YouTube. Today I tried to go live on my Facebook page, but seems like that timing is not working for so many of you. So I thought I'll just do my year-end sale on my YouTube. So here I am with my year-end sale and I am giving you amazing prices. It's like almost wholesale costs I'm charging on all these things, since I just want to clear all this for new things to get in for 2022. So these all are rock bottom prices, and if you want anything, if you want to purchase anything, please comment or email me on my email address below, so I will hold these pieces for you. They are not listed on my store currently, since it's a clearance. I just wanted to do on live, but it didn't work, so I'm just making all these video series and everything is there: papers, embellishments, chipboard pieces, so many things I'm selling on my YouTube right now. So it's better way, either you can comment or you can send me an email with your list, so I will send you invoices. So here we go. So first of all, I'm going to start with Minte papers. They are very beautiful papers and I have few left, so I'm just selling them on really cheap prices. I'm not telling you any original prices or MRSP to you, because you all know our craft stuff and their original prices. So these are the things. And first set is Day by Day by Minte, and along with this chipboard sticker adhesive sheet. These are not stickers like thin sticker, they are chipboard stickers. So this 2-piece set I am selling for $12. So this one, Day by Day, and I have only 2 sets available. And this one I have only last available, since I sold so many kits using this one. Many of you remember all my kits. So this is very beautiful set, Happy Place, and again chipboard piece, and it's for $12. And then another wonderful collection is Jungle Stories. So Jungle Stories set is $12. And one of the most precious, very beautiful collection called Tiny Miracle. Very pretty. Look at these, very pretty. I have few of them available, so if you want, please comment. These are also $12 each set. And then I have this set in Love Story. It's most beautiful. I think so many people loved this collection when it came in the market. So I have few available. I think I have 4 available. So this is the Love Story, $12. Then I have this autumn kit which called Fall Festival. Also I have 4 or 5 available in that. And if you are looking for a 6x6 paper pads along with this, I will give you a really good price on that. In this set, maybe they are $7 each, but I will just give you for $4 each. But please mention if you want me to add 6x6 paper pad along with this kit. So this kit would be let's see, or maybe I can make it for $15 with 6x6 paper pads, but right now I'm showing only these 2 pieces, and 6x6 will be added upon a request. And these are the sets I have here, and I'm going to show you some individual papers. So I have a couple of Day by Day these 12 by 12 left, and they are $9 each. So first Day by Day. Then I have Very Licious, $9 each. Home for Christmas, $9 each. Homemade, $9 each. Old Manor, $9. Dreamers, $9. Wild Journeys $9 and Cozy Evening $9. So these are $9 each. Just grab it. I have very few left. So please comment under the video and I will hold that for you, and payment is due. Once I send you invoice, it's due within 12 hours. I don't want to cancel any, or if you hold for more time, then it's not right thing, because I'm just giving a chance to everybody. So if somebody wants it, if your payment is not coming within 12 hours, I will just pass it on to the next person. All right, then I have really wonderful these books, and Minte came up with these add-on books which you can use on any kind of projects, and there are a variety of different things: floral, some wooden doors, some backgrounds, some frames, and they are very pretty. They are usually, I think, $10 each, but today I am selling them. Let me check. I need to see my inventory and let's check. Okay, so oh my goodness, you can grab them. I'm selling these for $6.50 each. One is for $6.50, and even better, if you buy all 6 book set, I will be selling them $35 for the set, but one will be $6.50 each. Alright, so next, it's very beautiful set, and it's by Asuka Studios, and they all are international papers I'm selling today here. So these are with these die cuts, so ephemera die cut it is included. So one is for a spread, and the selling price is $14 per set. And I have one more So Sweet collection, very pretty. So I have quite a few left in these, so if you want to get it, please comment with the names So Sweet and Forest Friends. Alright, let's move on to other sets. Alright, let's move on to Stamperia collections. They are 12 by 12 paper pads, and I have literally few left in all of them. I'm selling them today. So first one I have here is this beautiful lilac-y color Hortensia, and it's very beautiful. It's very popular paper pad. So all these paper pads which are regular size, like 12 by 12 with regular size, since Stamperia has maxi size too, which has 22 pages, I guess. So these regular ones are $9 each. So Hortensia I have available. Lady Vagabond I have available. Make a Wish. This is maxi pad. I will show you later all the maxi pads. The regular one is Oriental Garden, $9 each. Make a Wish in regular size, and I also have a maxi pad too. 9. Cosmos, 9. Princess, 9. Grand Hotel, 9. And Blue Stars, 9. And this Pink Christmas, very beautiful paper pad. It's all-time favorite, people's favorite. I think it's rewarded or awarded for people's favorite in my group. So these all are available, $9 each, and there are few maxi pads, 2 of them maxi pads I have. I'm selling just $12 each, and you have 22 pages in there, so it's like very cheap. for Stamperia. So I have these two. And then in Stamperia, I do have these stickers, self-adhesive stickers, very beautiful stickers, you can see. So I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 sticker set I am selling $7. So 4 of these $7 set. I'm not selling individually, it's very hard to sell individually. So it's in the set of 4 for just $7. You will not get them anywhere for this cost. And they are very pretty Stamperia one. So I have a couple of these company products, which is Craft and You. It's called Winter Dream. It's very beautiful paper. It's Christmassy. You can see all the colors. Very, very beautiful. And then I do have Sweet Reflection, but I'll let you know the price of this. This is going to be $12. Few left, 4 of them left, so please feel free to comment if you like this Christmassy one. And then I have this beautiful 49 and Market Sweet Reflection paper pad, and it's very, very pretty. It's very beautiful, and the price is for $10. It's 12 by 12 and I have few available. Okay, let's move on to something different, which can be giftable. It's very beautiful. Prima's very old and very unique product. I have few available. So these are the journals, and very cute. Most of you know, and they used to be very costly. Still they are costly, and I'm just giving away like very crazy on very low price, I mean. So I have this in large piece, then I have these in smaller. You can see very, very cute colors. It's a blue and it's pastel pink, and this one is a floral. Very, very pretty. So it's almost remind me of Misty Rose collection. I think that is the one, right? So pretty. So I have these. So these 3 in small one, and the one is in a large one. I will also show you. I have additional inserts for this one and small ones too. So this large journal, including these inserts, I am just selling as a set. It's a $30. It's almost like a $45-50 value item. So both of them together is a $30, and these ones together is $20. So please, you can mention which one you want. Let's call it floral I'm sorry, floral collection. You can see, oh, it is a Misty Rose, so you can see. So Misty Rose set is $20, and this one is a Misty Rose large set, $30, and this one is a Lavender Frost. Oh, it is so beautiful. It's a very well known collection. All are these are very popular back in you know, like 5-6 years, I think. Anyways, the Lavender Frost, $20, and then we have this one, nice Georgia blues, very pretty. So these are $20. So in this video I have these many items which are on sale. If you want, just please comment, and in my next video I am going to show strictly all graphic 45 kits and whatever leftover things I have here, but mostly I have very beautiful kits. It's a graphic 45 kit club kits. I have all the volumes, so I have one of each, couple of each left. So I'm going to show you in my next video. Stay tuned, and they are very cheap prices. You will not beat those prices. So stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.